Can't remember the name of this trail. I just came off this trail, went straight up to a fire tower. Got a short of that. Should be on the channel soon. Probably put the name of the trail in the description or as the title of the short. Yeah, cruising past, I'm not sure how many miles now. Got halfway up and was like, I'm so close to this fire tower. Might as well just keep going. Going home tomorrow. Won't get mountain views like this again for a bit. Back to the heat. I mean, it's cool up here. It's in the 60s right now. Middle of August. Start of August anyways. Let me shut up. Let you have some ambient noise for the rest of this short. Be good.